Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: how to schedule an email in Gmail. If you've ever found yourself in a situation where you needed to send an email at a specific time, but didn't want to be glued to your computer, this video is for you. So, let's dive right in. First things first, open your web browser and go to Gmail. If you haven't already, make sure you're signed into your Gmail account. Now, let's compose a new email. You can do this by clicking on the Compose button, usually located in the top left corner of the screen. Great! Now, let's draft our email just like we normally would. Write the subject, the recipient's email address, and compose the body of the email. Make sure everything looks good and is ready to go. Once you're done composing your email, instead of clicking on the usual Send button, look for the small arrow next to it. Click on that arrow, and click on Schedule Send, and a new window will pop up, allowing you to choose the date and time you want your email to be sent. Take a moment to pick the exact date and time that suits your needs. You can choose from the preset options, or click on Pick Date and Time to select a specific date and time. Once you've set the date and time, click on the Schedule Send button, and Gmail will take care of the rest. Your email will be sent automatically at the designated time, even if you're not actively using your computer or logged into Gmail. It's important to note that you can always view, edit, or cancel scheduled emails if you need to make any changes. Simply go to your Scheduled folder in Gmail, where you'll find a list of all your scheduled emails. From there, you can make any necessary adjustments or cancel the email altogether. And that's it. You now know how to schedule an email in Gmail. This feature can be incredibly useful for a variety of situations. Whether you want to send an email outside of business hours, ensure timely delivery for different time zones, or simply plan ahead. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, leave them in the comments below.